In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound on YouTube TV. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. So now, why doesn't YouTube TV have sound? It may be because YouTube volume is off, or you have silenced the video, or YouTube app is outdated, or the router is not connected to the TV, or update audio driver issues. So now, how to fix no sound on YouTube TV? Step 1 is to check if the audio is muted, and step 2 is to go ahead disconnect Bluetooth devices. So this might help. And then step 3 is to check if Android TV speaker is enabled. Then step 4 is to go ahead update the YouTube app, and after that just update the Android TV OS. So if all of this does not work, you can go ahead restart your device and check if it works again. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.